DIY toner for acne-prone skin. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start by preparing some green tea. It reduces sebum production, fights acne-causing bacteria. Place a tea bag in hot water. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the tea bag. Add rose water. Rose water helps soothe the irritated skin and reduce redness. Add 6 to 8 drops of tea tree essential oil. It has antibacterial properties. It helps unclog pores, preventing and treating acne and breakouts. Give it a good mix. Pour it in a clean dried spray bottle. Spray it on your face after every time you wash your face. It will provide light layer of hydration without being heavy on your skin. Keep it in refrigerator and use within a week. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.